Hello everyone, welcome to Priya's Preschool. So student, today we are going to learn letter S with its phonic sound and different words that start with letter S. So let's get started with our first word, sun. S, sun. S, sun. Very good kids. Next letter is letter S, sit. S, sit. S, six. S, six. S, sad. S, sad. S, snail. S, snail. S, snake. S, snake. S, sari. S, sari. S, spider. S, spider. S, starfish. S, starfish. S, sunflower. S, sunflower. Then sun. Repeat again. Seat. These all start from letter S. And what is the phonic sound of letter S? Six. S, sad. Snail. Snake. Starfish. Say again. Starfish. Sari. Sari. Sunflower. Spider. Spider. Okay kids, that's it for today. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.